Are you looking for a move-in ready home under $700,000? Let's take a look. The heart of the home features a clean, modern design with open flow, perfect for entertaining. Both bathrooms are updated, giving a fresh and stylish start from day one. Tucked in a neighborhood with no through traffic, this home offers a rare sense of privacy and peace. All just minutes from local parks, popular dining, and easy trolley access to downtown. So if you're looking for a turnkey home under $700,000, Jaynia Place is waiting for you. Schedule your private tour today.